After spending a whole year here as a volunteer, it's Marie's last week at the chateau.
What are you going to do?
What are you going to do?
What are you you don't realise yet how hard it's going to be living without me.
Oh, yes, of course it will be hard, but I'll survive.
In the meantime, we're still together and making the most of it.
Yeah.
And we're going to go to one of the prettiest villages in France.
Apparently.
We're just arriving in the stunning little village of Gaozes. This place is so beautiful, and we're going to that castle now to see an exhibition of Pre-Impressionist painters.
See, I told you it was pretty. I think sometimes you just don't trust me.
Yeah, I'm naturally very skeptical.
We don't go out enough.
No, but we should.
I hope I can find the chateau. There's the chateau.
Woo!
Sorry.
There we go.
Let's park here. Let's go find Dana and Nicole.
Yeah.
There's been a castle on this site for over 1,000 years, but this facade is all that remains of the medieval castle. Inside is the more modern 18th century castle, which has been beautifully restored by its new owner and is used every year as an art gallery. The exhibition we're seeing is called The Birth of French Landscape Painting, the Precursors of Impressionism. In 1832, two young French artists, Jules Dupré and Louis Cabas, escaped civil war and cholera in Paris and settled here in the heart of France. They rejected the formal rules of the day and sought instead to capture the beauty and simplicity of nature. In doing so, they were the forerunners of the Impressionists. Looking at their paintings, I can breathe the air in the meadows and hear the trickling of the streams.
Okay, we need a gardener and a lot more paintings.
They must be watering every day here.
I know,
I've
it's
never
mad.
seen
It's like
such
their
a green
grass. It's green. Doesn't make any sense.
I don't
I
understand.
barely know what it is. What a stunning village.
That's beautiful.
Let's go see Dana and Nicole.
Yes.
Hello. So tempted to get one, but I'm being good.
You tempted to get the chateau?
No, I was tempted to get, they were selling sketches from that
Oh,
school.
yeah.
Well, I think
Okay.
you should.
You think I should?
I think you should.
No, I'm going to be good.
I think it's a very good opportunity to have it. It's so important in art history.
You're not
What
helping me.
happened here?
You're not helping me be good.
Seriously, how many times in your life you will have opportunity to buy the original of the skits of what they did, and it's 200 years old.
I have terrible influences in my life.
Yeah,
Sorry.
but we
Terrible.
can't afford this, Stephanie. We can't.
See, Marie says
Sorry.
we can't afford
We
it.
can't afford it. Stephanie's been tricky about what was it? Mushrooms today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wanton purchasing
Use
of
the canned
mushrooms
mushrooms,
going on.
she says.
I'm in disgrace because I went back and I bought the sketch with the flute player and cows, and Marie's very upset because I told her that we couldn't buy fresh mushrooms today because we had tinned ones, and I'm trying to save money. And to be fair, I did buy the fresh mushrooms in the end, but I think it's fair to say that now that I bought that sketch, we won't be having mushrooms for a very long time. I'm blaming you for my badness.
Oh my God! You bought one! Let me see! I imagine what you bought.
It wasn't the one that you
No.
wanted.
I know which one you bought.
You do?
Not
You
the
think
one
so?
with the trees. Yes, wait. The one in the river with the persons down the river. For sure.
Yeah,
This is-
I
this
think
is
you
the
got
one
the
you
right
sh-
one.
Definitely. With the flute. I love it.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
How cross are you on a scale of 1 to 10? On the mushroom scale of crossness.
I'm not crossed.
Oh, don't you dare say you're disappointed.
I'm not disappointed. Because I know you and I love you, and I know that you will spend money on almost anything that you like, and it's impossible to stop. So why would I bother just be frustrated about it, really?
I think the secret in life, Marie, to happy financial life is basically don't spend money on things you don't care about, i.e. the mushrooms.
Yeah.
And do spend money on things you do care about. 19th century sketch of a cow.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm blaming you too, Nicole, because you're the one that told me in the first place that they were selling some.
Yes! Well, the thing is, You should never regret. Because it's absolutely pointless.
She's still very upset about
Always.
the
I'm not
mushrooms.
upset. You know, fresh mushrooms are not the same as canned ones.
Oh, I completely agree with you. I told you about
that
it.
conversation the other day.
Completely.
There you go.
I would rather have canned mushrooms and that
buy
on my
that.
wall. Yeah. You see where I'm going with this,
I'm
Nicole?
absolutely
I
with
think the
you.
mushroom
There's no
probably
debate.
cost.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, lovelies. I'm the luckiest person in the world to work on my vlog listening to this in the background of my study. Amazing.
You too, and you've been a wonderful help.
This has been Soulmates.
Soulmates indeed.
Kitchen team is going to be halved.
Scotman and Wonder Woman.
Yes, that's exactly
You
it.
always make me laugh. You always make me laugh. Even when I'm crying, you make me laugh. Oh, I love you, Jerry.
Love you too, Lynn.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Look as though you've just come up from the mine. Is this a new look for the kitchen now? Is this a new staff uniform? Lynn, we could get you one of these and I could have one too.
Oh wow, I just did a 1 hour running in the dark.
Yep, okay. Your man.
It was quite refreshing actually.
Lovely. I'm glad you had a lovely time. We found our drinks quite refreshing in here.
Yes, we did.
Marie and I are wildly excited in the kitchen today because it's finally happened. It's the last day of the summer music workshops. This is it. Yes. After today, no more constant cooking. I'm going to miss it. It's been really fun, hasn't it?
Yeah. It's a bit sad, isn't it?
I think someone's overdone it in the kitchen. This is what we look like on the last day of the summer workshops. Oh, you are awake.
I'm just resting.
Come and have lunch with me.
I'm too tired.
I'm bored. I want someone to play with.
Eat. Lynn's in the kitchen.
Oh, I'll go play with Lynn.
Yeah.
Night, night.
Night, night.
It's the last concert of the summer and I'm not singing this time, so I can just sit back and enjoy it.
Did you bring snacks?
Yes, I did.
Oops, sorry.
Cocktails. Cocktails.
What snack did you bring?
Very expensive sugared almonds.
We're celebrating this magical final evening by all eating together on the terrace in front of this amazing sunset.
So this is a French banana pudding à la Caroline du Nord, made with madeleines.
Si j'avais eu ça pour les cours, ça aurait marché tout de suite. Après la vieuse, j'ai tout. Alors ça quand même.
Look at the cute praying mantis. It won't leave me. Look, Lynn, I have a new friend.
Oh my God.
I call him Roger.
The mosquito.
Oh, there goes Roger.
Oh, Roger just flew.
Now Roger is attempting to camouflage himself against the curtains. Come on, Roger. It's time to move on to the garden. It's so beautiful though, look at that. It's a pity we can't communicate. I think he'd be very good at dinner parties.
Yep, this is what it sounds like when opera singers party.
I found a frame at home for my new sketch, so I've come here to get a mount for it too. It's just a plain frame. I think I might gild it. Here are all the mounts. Now I've just got to hope that there's something in the right colour.
Ooh, annoyingly none of the ready-made mounts fits properly, so I'll have to have one made. But which colour would be best? The pencil sketch by Louis Cabot is so faint that it disappears completely against pale colours, so I've narrowed it down to these two. Although I prefer the colour of the blue, I think that the aubergine brings out the pencil lines far more, so I've decided on this one. We have a winner.
I've left the little sketch with him. It was quite hard parting with it, and I asked if it could be ready by Thursday so that I could show you, but he doesn't think so, so I think we're going to have to wait for a big reveal next week.
What are you getting up to in here?
I'm making a bee cube.
Oh my god, that's amazing. How did you actually manage to make it like conical?
You did. I didn't. I just.
But I'm sure I didn't bake a cake that was that shape. I mean,
Yes,
I
you
prefer this
did.
shape. This is way better.
That's what I got when I opened it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can I eat that before anyone else comes down?
No.
No, hang on. No, you need help with this. You definitely.
No, I don't.
Definitely need help with that.
No.
That bit you need.
Oh my
clearing
god.
Up. Marie, amazing.
You can have the rest.
Heaven. That is exquisite. Do you think you should have put it on the plate first?
No, silly.
Should we put it on a little stand? We could put it on a little cake stand instead. I can get one down. Do you want one? Alright, I'll get one.
Quickly.
Okay. Gosh, you're being very, very bullying today. The cake stands are up there. And as I am a midget, I will have to use the ladder. Right. What shall we go for? Tricky. I think the tall one to make it as dramatic as possible. Just to tell you, I'm actually trying to do all of this whilst holding this in the other hand. It's a little difficult. I'm now holding my phone and a massive chocolate in one hand.
Well, it was you that wanted to get it.
Well, obviously it should be on the cake stand. Okay, Marie, one clean cake stand. I have just washed it. And I also freed the spatula from all that unnecessary chocolate that was on it. So that's good. I've done two good things.
It's a bit wobbly.
That's so ridiculously pretty.
Don't you just love it already?
Gosh, wow. When are we allowed to eat this?
Later tonight.
Is it dessert?
It's for Stacy.
If you're wondering why I am dressed up to the nines, it's because Marie's having a birthday party for her friend who's visiting, and she has decided we have to wear our confidence. I thought about that for some time, and I decided that my confidence is sparkly and slightly 1980s in theme. All those years of watching Dynasty have culminated in this sartorial moment. Those hours were not wasted.
It looks like a fairy tale. I've literally walked into a grumpy Cinderella surrounded by everything she's cooking.
I need help. I don't follow recipes. Can you read the recipe and tell me what to do?
All right, let's do that.
It's just confusing me a lot when it
Is
needs
it the fact that says a frying pan that goes in the oven?
Yeah,
That's
it's
what's
very
confusing.
confusing.
Shall I show you the frying pan that goes in the oven?
No.
I'm going to show you. It doesn't matter you're about to leave. You're learning this. Follow me.
You look amazing, by the way.
Thank you.
Is this your confidence?
Yes, this is my confidence. So you see what's happened is that we, and by we I kind of mean you, have lost the handle on the ones that go in the oven.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Excuse me.
I said it and I meant it. But look, just use it without a handle.
I like when Stephanie comes into the kitchen and just sorts everything out.
What are you trying to get me to do? Why are you buttering me up?
I just need help.
Alright, one frying pan that we can't really in any way hold because we've lost the handle, but at least it
I
can
have
go
not
in the
lost
oven.
anything.
Alright, okay, I have lost the handle. Put it there. By the way, this is, we're going old school, Raymond Blanc's book. Love it.
Someone's ringing the bell. Maybe it's our B&B guests.
Oh my goodness.
Who is it? Oh mon Dieu! Oh! Oh, Lynn!
No.
Ah non?
No.
Lynette?
No. Je suis Fifi. Madame Chatelaine. Le grand château. Not grand enough for vous et moi.
Oh la la, Fifi! This is big talk. This is fighting talk.
So, think you have to go.
Oh!
Je suis Fifi.
Well, Lynn really is wearing her confidence. Absolutely nobody can argue with that. Oh, Lynn, could I put in a formal... Sorry, Fifi. Could I put in a formal request that you dress like this every day from now on?
Fifi always.
What is it here?
David, I feel that your confidence is a bit more low-key than everyone else's confidence.
My confidence is beachwear this evening.
There we go.
Okay, fair
beachwear.
enough.
Given
Beachwear.
that we have a lake and we're about to do the boathouse, I thought beachwear
Fair
would be in
enough.
season.
Excellent.
Penguin original beach.
Original penguin.
Wow, how to take your shorts to an intellectual level.
Tonight we're only eating things that Marie can eat.
If I'm honest, it feels like a gluten-free Last Supper.
Even if we're at a party, we put laundry first
Laundry
because
comes first now. Mummy's taught me it's planning, and standards from Mummy and Percy. That was their final words to me as they left. And it's the last load of the day, and then every single bit of laundry has been done after the workshop.
look at how much. I'm just going to have to stop and show exactly how much laundry has been done by the Golden Wonder.
And that's just the recent lot. The rest has come in. I rival my own mother in my laundry proficiency now. Watching this will be one of my mother's proudest moments. Is it Christmas, Maddie?
No, it's moving out day.
Yeah, but you seem to be going in.
Yeah, I can't fit everything in my luggage, you see, so I have to leave something here.
Hurrah!
So I will be back. Okay, I'll be back. There's another one. Oh.
I just asked Marie where David was because it's lunchtime, and she said she thinks he's down at the boathouse. So let's go and see if we can find him. Oh, this is going to be my favourite spot in the chateau. A man with a saw, always a pleasant sight at Lalande. Wow!
Oh, it's like daytime now.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I think this tree has to go. Perfect. The view is now declared perfect. Excellent rhino viewing opportunities have been opened up. See you in a sec. Marie, would you like some scrambled eggs?
Oh, no, thank you. I just had cake.
I'm making scrambled eggs for David. He's done a great job down there.
Oh, I'll have a look.
Yeah, it's really worth going down. He's cleared the view.
Oh, excellent.
Is this cup of tea for me?
Yes, it is.
It's going to be so strange walking into this kitchen tomorrow and you won't be here. It doesn't make any sense. Well, have fun with my cousin in Suffolk. At least I know you'll be safe.
I'll be fine.
I'm going to miss you so much.
I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Yes.
Have the most fantastic time.
I'll miss you. Thank you for everything. And see you soon.
See you soon.
Yeah? Thank you for driving me.
At least I've got your stuff in my attic. You got to come back.
I have to come back. I will come back.
Bye. Have fun. Find a lovely man.
I will.
Bye.